Hello guys at welcome back sa ating YouTube and TikTok channel. So kung kayo ay nagpaplanong mag-apply or magpa-promote sa DepEd, so dapat ito yung una mong alam or dapat alam mo to. Ito yung tinatawag na minimum qualification standard set by Civil Service. Ito ay base sa DepEd and DBM Joint Circular number 1 series of 2025. So, ito yung magsasabi kung kayo ay qualified or disqualified sa position na ina-apply nyo. So, unahin natin tong sa elementary and junior high school teacher 1 to teacher 7. So, dapat sa teacher 1, kung ikaw ay nag-a-apply ng teacher 1 position, dapat ikaw ay merong bachelor's degree, okay lang na walang training, okay lang din na walang experience, pero dapat merong eligibility. So, meaning to say, dapat ikaw ay graduate ng 4 years course and then merong LET para ikaw ay maging qualified. Sa teacher 2 naman, dapat ikaw ay bachelor's degree with 8 hours relevant trainings and 1 year experience and then pasado sa LET para ikaw ay qualified. Sa teacher 3 naman, dapat bachelor's degree with 18 or 16 hours of relevant trainings and then 2 years experience or teaching experience and then eligibility ay LET. Para sa teacher 4 naman, dapat ay bachelor's degree with 16 hours of relevant trainings and 3 years of experience and then dapat may LET. And then sa teacher 5 naman, dapat bachelor's degree with 24 hours of relevant trainings, 3 years of teaching experience and dapat ay may LET. Pagdating naman sa teacher 6, so bachelor's degree, 24 hours of relevant trainings, 4 years of teaching experience and then dapat ay may LET. And sa teacher 7 naman, bachelor's degree, at least 32 hours of relevant trainings, and then 4 years teaching experience, and dapat po ay may LET. So, ito po yung magiging basihan. Kapag na-meet nyo po ito, kayo po ay qualified sa position. Pero kung gusto nyo po magka-points at maging rank 1, dapat more than this pa po yung meron tayo. So, puntahan naman natin yung Master Teacher 1 to Master Teacher 5. So, kung kayo po yung nag-apply ng Master Teacher 1, dapat po kayo ay graduate ng masteral degree in Educational Leadership or Educational Management. And then, dapat meron kayong at least 24 hours relevant trainings plus 8 hours of instructional supervision training. Or supervisional. And then, 5 years teaching experience. And then, eligibility ay LET. Sa Master Teacher 2 naman, dapat po kayo ay graduate ng Master's Degree in Educational Leadership or Educational Management with 24 hours relevant trainings and 8 hours instructional supervisory or supervision training. Ang experience po, dapat meron kayong 5 years of teaching experience plus 1 year na kayo po ay Master Teacher 1 or merong 1 year na experience sa instructional supervision. So, ang eligibility po ay LET. Master Teacher 3 naman, dapat kayo po ay graduate ng Master's Degree in Educational Leadership or Educational Management. Meron kayo dapat na 24 hours na relevant trainings and 8 hours instructional supervision training. And then, experience dapat po ay 5 years plus 2 years instructional supervision. And then, eligibility ay LET. Sa Master Teacher 4, ito po ay Master's Degree in Educational Leadership or Educational Management plus 24 hours of relevant trainings plus 8 hours instructional supervision. And then experience po ay dapat ay 5 years teaching experience plus 3 years instructional supervision. And then eligibility po ay LET. And then sa Master Teacher 5 naman po, dapat po ay Master's Degree in Educational Leadership plus or Educational Management plus 24 hours of 24 hours trainings, relevant trainings plus 16 hours of instructional leadership. Sa experience naman po, 5 years teaching experience plus 4 years instructional supervision. And then eligibility po ay LET. So, ito po yung minimum qualification standard. Again, ito po yung 0 points. Kapag na-meet nyo po ito, 0 points pa po tayo. Meaning to say, dapat mas mataas pa po yung ating documents kung tayo po ay mag-a-apply, magpaparang sa Master Teacher 1 to Master Teacher 5. Kung kayo po ay hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, so please click the like button and follow and subscribe our YouTube channel. So para po sa mga sample files, so we have sample files, just visit our YouTube channel and then fill up the link or the Google form below this video. So once again, thank you so much for listening.